So here is how to use other people content on a Facebook. Using other people content on Facebook or social media is called reaction video, and you can create reaction video on any other content that you want to create, but it depends on how you make yours or you edit yours. Many people are facing copyright issues and stuff. That means how you create yours, and we've seen a lot of people making tutorial that you can create or use other people content by just putting your face. Also says you can just copy or get the video and post it. And now recently Facebook is making changes, and they want to delete some videos and some pages from their system because they think others are using other people content, and people also claim that the video that they are using is for them, but it's not for the original creator. And Facebook want to sanitize their system, so they want to clear all this stuff. So that's why this video I'm going to show you how you can edit the video or react to such video so that you don't face any copyright issue on your content. So watch to the end and get everything. First thing is, to create a reaction video, you need a video that is trending, and most times trending topics always bring a lot of results. And to get all these stuff, you can get it on Facebook or you can get it on TikTok, anywhere, of Instagram and other stuff. People copy or just screenshot other people content on X, that's Twitter, come to Facebook and post it, and Facebook pay them for doing that. It depends on how they do them. And we know Facebook monetize so many content. They monetize reels, long form video, that's what we call videos. They monetize pictures, they monetize blogs, like just creating posts out there, write something and post it there. Facebook monetize all this stuff. So it depends on how you create yours, that will let Facebook accept you and recommend your video or see your video as original content, recommend your video to others, so that you get a lot of views and a lot of comment, a lot of reaction on your video and get monetized. To get all these stars, you can go to Facebook and get this, you can go to other platform and get it. But after you have gotten the video, here is how to edit it, right? So there are so many things that you can do. So I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can use to do that, right? So let's head to my screen. So the first thing is, you need to get either two smartphone or 2 phone that you use. One to play the video, you use the other one to watch the video, or you use the one to watch the video, then you use the one to video yourself. So you are playing the content, then you video it, you talk about it. So the other one, you just use a screen recorder to record yourself while playing the video, so that you will record yourself, then you react to that video. And a lot of people, I see a lot of people always say they want to edit their video like this and other stuff. So I will show you everything step by step. So let's get to my screen. So on my screen here, I'm going to use this editor called CapCut. And without CapCut, you can get it on your smartphone, and you can get it on a PC version. So these are the 2 files that I'm going to use. Okay, so this one is my recorded one, and this one is the video that I was playing. And there are so many ways to edit it, so I'll show you how you can edit the 2 of them. So the first one, I'll just drag the first one, that's my main video, into my timeline. Then I'll bring out the other video also into my timeline. So you see this one cover this one, so you can edit it in this way by just hit on that video, come in and drag it like this. Okay, then you can put it anywhere that you want. Okay, so I can put it like this, so that in case this one is playing, I can also react or talk about it. So you can do it like this, or you can just do it like this. So when I play this video, okay, and you see there is a song or there is an audio out there, you can mute the audio, or you can just leave the audio to play, right? So to do this, I'm using a free version of CapCut. So I want to mute the video or the audio of this. I'll just click on that audio, and then I'll just come to the audio section of CapCut. You see volume out there. In case I decrease the volume down and I play it, you will not hear anything, you just hear my voice, right? The next one is that I'm going to show you. Okay, so I have these 2 videos out here. When I click on the video and I come to this side here, I come to crop. Okay, so I'm going to crop the video. I can just crop the video like this, hit on confirm to confirm it. So I've cropped the video, I'll put it here. Then I come to my next video out here. So So in case that one too, I want to crop it, I can crop it. By this one, I just want to stretch it like this. Okay, so you see here, I'll just hit on this one, so I'll just crop it like this and then save it. So this one will be here, and then this one will be here. Okay, so the two of these videos will be playing. Okay, so I can play it, then you see everything out here. Okay, so I have one at the top, I have one at the down. This is another way that you can edit your video also, right? And let me show you the other one. One is you use a screen recorder. Okay, so for that screen recorder, the screen recorder will be playing and you'll be getting your video. And the other one that you can do, and break this one down. So I bring this one down, this one will be top, so my video will be top. So I can do it like this, then place it somewhere like this. Okay, so the main video, it will be this one, and mine will be this one. So when I play it like this, okay, so you'll be hearing my voice and you'll be hearing the other one is playing and other stuff. Okay, and we have some people also, they will just bring it to the video like this. Okay, he will just bring the video, so the video will be playing like this, then he will just show up his face like this. So while this video will be playing, he just to show his face like this, then he cut it off, then he will just play this one. So while the video is playing, you see his face popping up, then he just go. So these are things that you can do to edit a reaction video, right? So that you don't face any copyright. Okay, and we have so many ways that you can do to edit a reaction video. You can pick an interesting topic, sit in front of your camera, talk about it, add some educational tips and tricks about the video, then people will watch it and there will be so many reactions about that video. If this video add value to you, kindly subscribe and like our video. See you in the next video. Peace. Shalom.